as the top news headlines. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah concerned over insurgent activities. "122 members in Rajya Sabha already supporting CAB," says BJP sources. And anti-CAB protest rocks Guwahati. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Governor of Manipur Dr. Nazma Heptullah today stated that insurgent activities have seriously affected the state's economy, social harmony and development activities. She was addressing a Northeast Seminar 2019 organized by Assam Rifles on the theme Changing Security Paradigm in Northeast Implications and Imperatives at City Convention Center, Imphal today. Dr. Nazma further expressed concern over the Northeast bordering other countries being a vulnerable region which witnesses growing rate of drug and arms smuggling activities. Governor Nazma also said that though militant groups under suspension of operation in the state have lowered the rate of anti-social activities, still cases of extortion, attacks on security forces and terrorizing the civilians are occurring in the state. She praised the security personnel in the Northeast for their relentless efforts and contributions in safeguarding the states of the region. Governor Nazma Heptullah also called on all to work together for the betterment of the region.
And police personnel imposing bans and boycotts and are indulging in kidnapping, extortion from the public, government employees, NGOs, etc. They boycott national functions and are anti-people, anti-government and anti-national. The state has been enduring the ill effects of the insurgency, which is disrupting the social harmony of the state and is also having an adverse impact on the economic development of the state.
Previous Lok Sabha, when the opposition forced a joint parliamentary committee on citizenship amendment bill, with almost every opposition party submitting a dissent note, the support for the controversial legislation to be introduced by the current BJP-led government seems to be growing. When the Union Cabinet yesterday cleared the introduction of the CAB in this winter session, there were indications that many parties earlier critical of the bill were changing tack. According to BJP sources, 122 members in the Rajya Sabha are already supporting the CAB and the party is expecting more parties to join them. A media report said the current strength of the upper house is 238. In its previous term, the government could not push the bill through in the Rajya Sabha due to lack of numbers. The bill approved by the cabinet Wednesday gave exemption to the inner line permit ILP regime areas and those governed under the 6th schedule of the constitution. In a meeting with a delegation from the Northeast on Saturday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah assured them that the states in the region would be given some exemptions. Shah has had interactions with different groups from the region, one even early Wednesday. The gateway to the Northeast was today rocked by strong protests against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB. The movement was led by Krisak Mukti Sangram Samiti KMSS. Thousands of protesters took to the streets at Dispur demanding scrapping of the controversial CAB. Addressing the protesters, peasant leader Akhil Gogoi said if CAB is not scrapped, people of the state will overthrow the Sarvanandan Sonowal government in 2021. He also said if the CAB is passed in the parliament, then the people of the state are ready to oust BJP and RSS from Assam. He also said the BJP has sacrificed the sentiments of the people of the state at the cost of vote bank politics. The protesters shouted slogans denouncing Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and State Chief Minister Sarvanandan Sonowal. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday gave its nod to the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 that seeks to provide Indian nationality to Hindus, Christians, Sikhs, Parsis, Jains and Buddhists fleeing persecution from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh.
you must know that KF is an unconstitutional, illegal, immoral and communal bill which is anti-constitutional. So the people of Assam are opposing this cabinet, this citizenship amendment bill. We welcome to the steps of Manipuri people. We are seeing that the Manipuri people is also opposing this unconstitutional bill. We welcome the Manipuri people and we welcome all the northeastern people who are opposing this unconstitutional, communal and illegal bill. The people of Assam are opposing tooth and nail this bill. We are opposing this bill tooth and nail. We never accept this bill. Assam rejects this citizenship amendment bill. Because if this bill is accepted, at least 1,90,00,000 people will come from Bangladesh. Hindu Bengali people will come to Assam and northeastern region. And then all the demographic pattern of northeastern region will be changed forever. So people of Assam and northeastern region are opposing this bill. We must oppose this bill and we must reject this bill.
Indigenous Nationalist Party of Tripura INPT activists staged National Highway and Railway blockade from Thursday morning protesting against Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB. Since Wednesday night, INPT supporters and workers gathered at Kamtingbari area of Barumura Hill Range. From this morning, they blocked the National Highway at Kamtingbari area, media reports said. Later, the supporters also stopped the railway tracks. INPT supporters sat on the railway tracks with flags and banners. INPT is an indigenous tribal party of Tripura and one of the oldest regional parties of the Northeast. Security has been beefed up along the national highways and railway in view of the 12-hour blockade called by INPT in protest against CAB. The blockade started from 6 a.m. in the morning. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma expressed hope that the central government has addressed the issues and concerns raised by several political parties and civil society groups on the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Sangma said unlike last year, the concern of the people of Northeast were taken into account on this bill. According to a media report, Sangma said this time the centre has taken a different approach to the bill and initiated communications with the state governments. Moreover, he said that in the recent discussions with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, leaders of different political parties and civil society groups had also expressed their concerns on how the indigenous people in Meghalaya will be affected by the bill. Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpack has informed that details of the recent meeting between Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the organization leaders will be placed before the public tomorrow at Imphal Khwairamban Market. Upon arrival, the Manpack delegation will go straight to Khwairamban Market, where leaders of Imalup, market vendors and protest sites will be apprised of the details, said Manpack.
Manipur ki damakta hapadoriba protective measure asi karimba clause asi natragana Manipur ki damakta mukona safeguard tawgane na hairibasi kadai khobda thabu pangthokadoriba no habigi matangna kupna khanna ne naraganda akoi yoba yamna tangai khadaba step ado akoi punna chansin minasi haiba wapum ase Manpack ki maigei lagi thamjari loinana asigumba pawdam asi hayeng ek thunglabaga khanun gaithena pawdam asi pibaga loinana miya mase object kari tabum thoi habise ngasi dagi hongna khanbiro aduga ikot punamong mit na singna leminna baga loinana dia government gi na kong yogadaba amusung maphogi mafam da pipam thokpa akanba pressure ado ikot punam piminarasi.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, first annual Women Meet 2019 of Lamjingba Group held at Classic Hotel Imphal.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646. Private Sports Academy Guwahati is organizing a training cum trial selection under All Manipur Football Association at Khuman Lampak from 7th of December to 11th of December 2019. For the session 2020, students between class 3 to 8 may kindly visit Private Sports Academy to avail proper education and sports facilities. Private Sports Academy Guwahati for Manipur branch is open for players studying between class 3 to 8. 30 professional football players between 18 to 23 years old will be recruited with rupees 5,000 to 30,000 as monthly salary. For online submission, mail us at abungcha542@gmail.com. Also contact us at 700-5235-638 or 8753943830.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets khara yenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi setsi anong yorokuni, ma'am. Yengbiyu.
Che. Sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro che. Yam elegance ui.
Mobile furniture na wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chaw pijari.
Phare jodi si tarsia. Bhaiya che seli tarsi. Sei se booking tak senjar.
Welcome back after the break. The first annual Women Meet 2019 of Lamjingba Group was held today at Classic Hotel, North AOC, Imphal. Sanasam Jackie Singh, Chairman, Lamjingba Group, Vaikom Herozit Singh, Managing Director, Lamjingba Group, Directors, Mutum Byron Singh, Mutum Rakesh Meite, Salam Ashok Singh and Lema Pokpam Malim Nganba Meite attended the event as Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honor, respectively. Addressing the gathering, Chairman of Lamjingba Group, Sanasam Jackie, announced that the company would provide 75% job opportunities to women in the future. Jackie also promised to open a new department solely run by women. He further urged women of the state to take active participation in development activities, adding that women play an important role in a society. Jackie also assured that the problems surrounding Kangla Water and TOMTV cable of Lamjingba Group will be sorted out by the end of this month. On the occasion, head cashier of Lamjingba Finance, Fidenjam Sophia, was presented with the Best Woman Employee Award.
issue leidiba haidi company sing haitare singi khangde cable gi khangde haibase koi bai bai loitringai mamang sida loina finish up tawraga lakode ba chahi jida di koi yam phajana work ta focus tawba aduguma ba chahi amakak ohenangai gidamakta koi management side ta gi jo kan honari loina the women employee oiba sing de isu koina madugumba ba effort sing adu puthok pirak na ba koida kathok pirak na ba adu masuni ri haibasi ma thunjage.
Manipur feature film Nangna Kappa Pakcha Day has been selected for the 6th Regional Film Festival 2019. The 5-day-long film festival is being organized by Tejpur Kalachitra Macha under Federation of Film Society of India to be held from December 24 to 28. The film Nangna Kappa Pakcha Day is directed by Makhon Mani Mongsaba and produced by Thaungamba Thauyangba. This film script is written by well-known Manipuri writer late M.K. Binodini. It is the 5th production of PK Films Manipur. The film has garnered many international acclaims. As a part of the ongoing Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana PMMVY that kicked off from December 2nd under the aegis of Ministry of Women and Child Development, a camp on reproductive child health care was conducted by District Administration Thoubal at Yairipo Khoiram Primary Health Center today. Talking to media on the sidelines of the camp, District Program Manager of District Health Society Thoubal C.H. Basanta said the program was held to initiate enrollment of young mothers and expecting mothers under PMMVY. He added, many pregnant women and children were given medical treatment and vaccines during the camp. Besides, basic medicines were also distributed to young mothers and expectant mothers of the locality free of cost.
Women and Child Development की मखान एक कोई प्रोग्राम अच्छी ले जाए अदुना अच्छी किसु हारीबा अच्छी लागबीरीबा ममा से पिता को चाव से कोई निपिजरी उन्हें तुमान बा कोई की पिता लांतक सिंह मजूम चाव सिंह सो अच्छी की सुन बा हेल्थ के मशीन पिजरी.
A 40-day-long pottery training program, which was held from October 16 to November 19, came to an end today at Thongzao Community Hall under Kaching District. The training program was organized by Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board under the sponsorship of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, Government of India. A total of 80 trainees took part in the training program. Those present at the closing function were Manitko Chairman and MLA of Hyanglam Constituency, Dr. Y. Radheshyam, and Chairman, Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board, L. Radhakishore. Talking at the event, MLA Dr. Radheshyam noted that Thongjao of Kaching district is well known in this state for pottery making, which has been an occupation of the area since long time. He informed that the objective of the program was to promote and introduce modern methods of pottery making. During the event, pottery machines were also distributed to all the participants of the training program.
Training kar piraga makoi ko halaga machine mata ukra machine dage haisu takpi ta mir machine si lem ne piraga maduda mayamna nomada sapu manatraga pothok porapadu nomada tara pothok na kun pothok na adu egare lupa ma phangde lupa tara phana lupa chama phangde lupa lising ma phana na ai hingba bi punsida hen economically kar chakat panna be panna yamna akak na ba yam nuksima mi em thongjau di yeng bi la khani dali da ke bi ai bi amadi manipur sarkar wai thagat tapon de thagat chari.
A cycle rally was held today in Imphal to mark the World Soil Day 2019. The cycle rally was flagged off from Kangla Main Gate in the heart of Imphal city. It was organized by the Green Foundation and Farmers Club, Kainau, under the joint aegis of Mobard and Manipur Adventure and Mountain Bikers Association. On the occasion, Manipur Agriculture Commissioner M. Joy, while flagging off the cycle rally, stated that soil conservation is everyone's responsibility. The cycle rally ended at the Gram Panchayat office, Kainau. Later, a discussion program on the theme Conservation of Soil was held at the venue. Talking about the cycle rally, Commissioner M. Joy said that this year's edition of World Soil Day is observed on the theme Stop Soil Erosion, Save Our Future. He also stressed on the importance of every individual to make an effort to protect fertility of soil.
Soil gi lebak lehau sigi kannaba phaganaba honabada aikoi khudingmak aikoi different walks of life the lebiriba parja khudingmak farmer khudingmak aduga organization khudingmakna mateng pangbiduna World Soil Day gi theme masibu phajana wahan thok adu aikoi gi thabak oina thokpada aikoi khudingmak saruk yamina si.
A house caught fire at Haubamara Kangzamlekai of Imphal West this morning. The house belongs to one Ibocho, who is said to be an advocate. A team of Manipur Fire Service, backed by locals, fought the blaze and managed to control it from further devastation. The cause of the fire was unclear, a report said. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Admission Notice 2020 Heritage Convent, Oripok Bachaspati Laikai and Naramthong Khulem Laikai, Imphal, Manipur. Admission open for preparatory, nursery and KG. Minimum age for preparatory 3+ years, for nursery 4+ years, for KG 5+ years as on 1st of April 2020. Application form available from the school office at Heritage Convent Campus 1 at Oripok Bachaspati Laikai on 8th of December, Sunday 2019, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Choosing the right school for your child is one of the most important decisions you will make in your child's life. Come, be a part of the Heritage family. Prospectus will be issued against production of birth certificate. For further details, please contact Heritage Convent.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan-India. 21+ years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000+ success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600 944 5522.
pakhong ama chalake
Chalune
chahi amagi plan tawge haradi
Phau pambi thabiyo
chahi taragi plan tawge haradi
U pambi thabiyo
chahi chamagi plan di
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo
icha kaina afaba school haidi
Lanai coaching tawbugi awaba lehendaba school du da dum changnai na coaching tohonba
mama mapa ga chamana na warak watembi ba
gym aerobic dance football thangta
mamang da 12 exam gi topper su puthokhraba
khwaidagi chawba nanba khwaidagi phaba school Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra
chumme yam khangi ko
Yes only Slopeland Public School Khongjom
Welcome back. In a unique adventure, a young couple of Pashala in Assam's Barpeta district has embarked on a biking journey across 13 states to promote tourism potentials of the state. The duo Rakesh Chaudhary and Nitumani Talukdar will cover Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and 3 union territories as per a media report. Their total journey will cover 8,500 kilometers. In a road mishap that happened in the early hours today, a Renault Duster plunged into a river along National Highway 10 near Kirni. According to the report, a body has been recovered so far. The SUV was on its way towards Gangtok from Siliguri side. The deceased has been identified as Devi Chetri, 69, of Sadar in East Sikkim district. According to reports, the incident took place around 6 in the morning when the vehicle bearing registration number SK01 PB4315 lost control and nose-dived into the nearby river. Meanwhile, a search operation has been launched with a rafting team led by Pravin Rai of Tarkola to find any other person. Worried over the increase in smuggling of contraband items from and through the Northeast, Director Generals of Police, DGPs of all 8 Northeast states held a day-long crucial meeting in presence of Narcotics Control Bureau NCB Director General Rakesh Asthana and Deputy Director General B. Radhika in Agartala yesterday. A media report said senior officials of the Border Security Force, BSF, Assam Rifles, Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, Central Industrial Security Force, CISF, and intelligence agencies and other law enforcing agencies also attended the meeting. After the day-long meeting, NCB's Asthana told reporters that the basic discussion was held on drug abuse and drug trafficking scenario in the northeastern states and have tried to devise strategies to curb the drug menace effectively. The Northeast region, which shares international borders with China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan, has been used as a corridor for drug smuggling for a long time. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, an 11-member team of Indian veteran football players left Imphal for Thailand today to participate in the upcoming International Veterans Football Championship to be held at Phuket, Thailand from December 6 to 9. The championship is being organized by Asian Track and Turf Federation. Team India will take on UK in the first match of the championship and USA in the second match on December 7. And on December 8, Team India will be at loggerhead with Thailand. This is the first time in the history of India that maximum number of veteran football players are from Manipur participating in the championship. Team manager Yanjambam Kiram told media at BT can visit International Airport, Imphal before leaving for Thailand.
Players especially veteran any state section khudimakta ngasi ramda Manipur si India gi manungda sports hub ne na hairagasu paisa gi khudong chadabaduna amadi passport sabagi adugumba hainabi ekoi gi players sing da lehaudabaduna ekoi ngasi player ahum mama ekoi miss tawi adu masi yamna laibak thibani aduga ekoina ngasi government su ekoi gi lengak na su ekoi gi sugumba players sing Manipur gi yokhan abaidamakta tongan tongan hiram trade sing da lariba especially veteran sing gi oina players sing yokapada mateng pangwinaba senthok khara ekoi gi players sing sum chatpa matamda sen sing mateng oijanaba policy program ama sembiba pamena thamjaningi.
This 17th edition of Veteran Cricket Tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association has kicked off today at Langthabal Public Ground, Langthabal. 8 teams are participating in the 14-day-long tournament. The 14th Kung Fu Black Belt grading ceremony was held on November 1st at RRL Complex, Sarjapura, Bangalore. Altogether, 42 Kung Fu students from different states including Assam, West Bengal, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Goa took part in the ceremony. Black belts were awarded to 21 students who are above 18 years of age. Best Performer Award was also given to 16 students on the occasion. The Best Student of the Year was given to Maibam Sonia Devi and Naurem Srikant. Chief Examiner of International Academy for Learning Martial Arts, Manipur and Chairman and Grand Master of India, Kaushu Federation, Jugeshwar Khetrimim said that Kung Fu is about understanding one's self and a training for completely controlling the body and mind. The Black Belt grading ceremony was also attended by Senior Most Instructor Dr. Y. Manikuman.
Kung Fu gi magi benefit amagi kanaba singsi moi khangamdaba adubu makoi gi masa singsina sanarakanda Kung Fu dagi fangiba koi gi systematic discipline myoi bagi thakshi khasi maromdom hingjaba masana masagi self management tawjaba mama par depend tawdaba lamcha sajat fajaba character asumba mayam si urukpada development urukpada koi lairi ka yamna chunaba pone aduga amuksu koi gi physical exercise da masidi koi gi अखोई बॉडी इक्विपमेंट्स यावदब इसागी ओन बॉडी द सानजब इंजूर ओइबगी चांगसु याम वाटपा अदुगुम्बा मसानानि मसिदि.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Manipur Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah concerned over insurgent activities. ...122 members in Rajya Sabha already supporting CAB, says BJP sources. And anti-CAB protest rocks Guwahati. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur and have a good night.